Okay. Today is I have the new place here before to recording my videos, practice English every day. Yes. In every day I always to think about the place for record my video English practice. So today is I find it here so beautiful place and before to recording my video today. So at the first I would like to good evening teacher and hello my friend and welcome with me continue today. Today is a new day in year 2026 year, and today is I would like to talk and going to talk about the encouragement. Yeah, everyone, encouragement. When we have difficulty in our life, we always to need many people that make you to make you to be funny and happy, right? Yes, encouragement. It is so big point and interested that people like to share when we have to remember that they feeling sad or difficult, uh, not to do something to success or better. This is a way that correctment to always to support. Yeah. Before encouragement I like it. Before after we like to support member family. Yes. And before a student we always to encouragement. Yes, teacher always to correct student and provide knowledge to new thing before to student to be complete and like review your video or listen carefully, review check uh, your listen before to exam or for listen next day. Yes, and before our family I always see my mother and father when I meet thing difficult or cannot solve problem to better. Yes, I always have a mother and father, sister. Yes, they always to support me and the big support something around me. Yes, I really so appreciate my family. Yeah, and then today I'm going here. Yes, I really so big thing before teacher, and teacher always support and make me confident before to practice English every day, and the biggest support and provide the knowledge experience. Yes, that is the point I like to improve and coworker in the future. I want to be a teacher. Yes, I like to share information that I know a little. I can share. I like to share forever for children and countryside. Yes, I like the natural and forest. Yes. So right now I stand here a place that have the green. Yes, I like it. And everyone, you know about the encouragement is the when we have many people like share about the encouragement, we always make you to confident and good community communication and sharing experience and share information to and grow and improve every day. Yeah. And conclusion about the encouragement, it can build a relationship stronger, make a confident and positive thinking, improve your skill, improve your knowledge, improve new thing, and improve a lot that many people like to share. So before this video to come at the end, yes, thank you for watching, and sorry my mistake in this video. Yes, I really so happy today because I can search for place for recording my video. Yes, goodbye everyone.